Welcome students, welcome to the class of FCP10 tutorials, and today we are going to learn how to uh, explore editing tools. And some of these tools are select tools, trim, position, range selection, blade, zoom, hand, and these are most common and very useful tools. You'll be using them, and once you get used to this, it will be very difficult to not use them. So let's go to FCP10 and I'll make you go through each and every tool. So now I'm going to basically go to this particular drop down arrow, and you can see the select A is already on. Yeah, and this is most common because you are always going to select something, some clips. So this is the most basic tool which always is going to be on, and you take to any clip. This clip turns into a trimmer naturally. You don't have to press any key, so a trimmer will naturally appear. Yeah, so a trimmer naturally appears when you are using position select tool. Yeah, so this is most common tool. Next one is trim tool. You can press T for shortcut. Yeah, trim tool basically again. So for complete tutorial, please visit my Udemy page and you'll find my course there. You can also check the description, and there's a link to my Udemy course. So please click on the link and check the course for yourself. Thank you guys.